redphotographers.com. Peter here. Guys, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to pack your bag for the photo session that you have tomorrow. I'm so excited. I'm going to Phuket. I'm going to pack my bag for one wedding that we have for one of our clients and one fashion shot, fashion photo shoot that we have. I'm going to show you how to pack your bag, and I'm going to show you what kind of gear I take, what kind of lens I get, what kind of camera I get, what is necessary, what is unnecessary when you are on the go and you want to pack your bag, go somewhere else, somewhere kind of far away. Right now I'm in Bangkok. So the first thing that I'm going to say is cameras. The first camera, EOS R. I'm going to take my EOS R. And second is my another camera with extra batteries. I'm going to get these two bad boys with tons of lenses. Next is this bad guy right here. A lot of SD cards. Look at this. I have 4 extra hard drives that I'm gonna take it with me. I'm gonna have my laptop with me, and I'm gonna transfer all the files after finishing the session. So this way I have it in both my external drives and I have it here on the SD card. I have all 120, you know, for 4K video, for like different things. So get a lot of SD cards with yourself and keep them secure. You need to have them like in these beautiful bags like this to protect them, okay? Now let's talk about lenses. The most important things, lens. You need a lot of lenses. According to the photo shoot that you have, we're gonna have a wedding, we're gonna have a fashion shot by the beach. You're gonna see everything at the end of this video, so don't go anywhere. I'm gonna start with my lens. The first lens I'm gonna get is Tamron G2 24 to 70 millimeter for full frame camera. Then Tamron again, 70 to 200 millimeter G2 f2.8 for wedding and also for the fashion shoot. For some videos, 24 millimeter pancake lens. For my videos I use sometimes 2.8. This is a great lens. Nifty 50 millimeter 1.8 f1.8. You need to have it always with you. My Sigma 18 to 250 millimeter f3.5. This is a reliable lens that you need to have with a stabilizer. Blower and cleaning kit. Don't forget these two. I forgot to tell you, you need a bag. You need a good bag, waterproof, to keep all of these stuffs, your camera gears at least, right here. Don't forget. Rode NGT2 professional mic for video recording. Tons of batteries you need. Don't forget. Look at this. I'm gonna charge them tonight. Color check your passport to get the white balance right. And for fashion shoot, I'm gonna use these bad boys to adjust my colors later in Lightroom. I'm gonna have a video about this guy. Batteries again. Next is this bad boy right here, Geon Crane 2. This is how we stabilize the videos and everything with this guy. It has a very beautiful pad right here, like this. Don't forget a stabilizer, gimbal, whatever you name it. Over a lovely drone, DJI Mavic Zoom 2. This remote control. Don't forget the license. One thing, when you're having drone, when you have drone in your package, in the wedding or whatever you're gonna use it, don't forget extra batteries. Totally I have 3. Each one is gonna give me half an hour of recording and flying, okay? Don't forget to charge them. I also use these beauty dishes like this as well, depending on my shoot and the size of the project. Let me show you right here. Then you see the honeycomb. This directs the light and gives you very directional light. Also, you can use it with its light pants. Panties. I meant panties. Sorry. And I also have a 4K LCD that I use it for videography and photography both. This really makes a difference, and I have a shade plus a histogram to help myself to get the exposure completely right and not to waste the time of my client and make the process a lot easier and smooth and better. And also, don't forget, a lot of little thin gears you need, screws and things, cables to charge, tether your camera to your laptop or whatever, HDMI cable, whatever cable you need. Don't forget this kind of little stuff. You know, back there I have many stands and I have many expensive tripods. But this guy right here is 34 centimeter and it becomes 2 meter. If I attach this to this, it becomes 3 meter. 1 kg, 600 gram, something around that. I don't take my aluminum or my big stands, light stands. I mount everything on two of this. This is the tripod for camera. I use it for light. And for my cameras, I use Slick. Back there, I don't want to take it. It's like, I think 20 years old stuff and I love it and I still use it. Okay? So this is what you can use. This guy also becomes monopod. Maybe I'm gonna make a video about this, you know, nothing is sponsored by anybody, but this is Benro. You see that? Benro. They have tons of good stuffs. In order to convert to the mount, to Bowen mount, you need this converter, okay? This is, I think, like $2 things. Another good things about this bad boy is when I go by the beach, I have these nails. And you know what is this for? Right here, this hook. This is for fishing. When you go by the beach, you can even fish. Go fishing with this hook. Really? No, you don't go fishing. This is for sandbag. Right here. To have this guy stabilized. Whatever. Okay? By the beach when it's windy. Don't forget. Now, this is the interesting part. Oh, lighting, lighting, lighting. That is what makes the difference. That's what you look at the photo and you say, oh, this is different. Lighting, lighting, lighting. Okay, here is what I do. Ta-da! 3 of this Godox V860 Mark II for Canon. I have 4 of this. I cannot hold another one in my hand. Here it is. Canon 430 Mark III RT. I love this. Why you have 4 flashes? Are you crazy? No, because I'm not gonna take with me studio strobes. Why? Because I can make 2 of them studio strobes to get that output. How? With something that I call it $10 trick. You need to have $10 in your pocket, do you? You do. It's here. And it is. What is this? If you're into Godox, use Godox system like me. You need this Bowen mount S-type. It goes on the tripod and your flash will be there. So you can use only one. But you see this little hole right here? It's designed for this accessory that they have. You put this guy right here. And then there's another screw, you fix it. And then you can have 1, 2, 3, 4 flashes. This is the trick. I have soft wax to use it. I take 2 soft mugs with me. This is how it looks. If I need a gel, I use this pack. Soft wax number 1. Ready? What is this? Teriapo. I don't know. Good guy. But I put that mount, S-type mount, here, and I'm gonna have all of my flashes there. I take 2 of this with me. Do you need more? 1. This is 110 centimeter. Don't tell me you don't know what's this guy. And if I'm gonna go lightweight, I'm gonna do this. And I'm gonna take umbrella with me. Oh, I'm gonna attach this to the S-type Godox. Oh my god. It is actually a little bit rainy here. I never recorded funny videos. I don't know why I'm doing this. Here, Stipe has this hole right here. You can attach umbrella to it. So, that's it about this little video in the beginning. So I'm gonna go and pack these things up. Oh my god, look at here. A lot of stuff.